Hi, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fundamental concept from FSC Physics Chapter 2 on vectors. We'll solve this problem step by step. Draw the representative lines for these vectors. A velocity of 400 meters per second making an angle of 60 degrees with the x-axis. B, a force of 50 newtons making an angle of 120 degrees with the x-axis. This is all about representing vectors as arrows on a diagram. It's simple, visual, and super useful for understanding directions and magnitudes. Let's break it down. The main thing to remember is that a vector is shown as an arrow. The length represents the magnitude, how big it is. The direction shows the angle from the positive x-axis. We use a scale to make the arrow the right length and a protractor for the angle. Starting with A, velocity equals 400 meters per second at 60 degrees to the x-axis. First, choose a scale that's easy, say 1 centimeter equals 100 meters per second. That means the arrow length is 400 divided by 100 equals 4 centimeters. Step 1. Draw your x-axis horizontal to the right and y-axis vertical up. Mark the origin where they meet. Step 2. From the origin, use a protractor to measure 60 degrees from the positive x-axis, that's counterclockwise, into the first quadrant, up and to the right. Step 3. Draw a straight line 5 centimeters in that direction. Step 4. Add an arrowhead at the end to show direction. Step 5. Label it. Velocity 400 meters per second, 60 degrees. There you go. A perfect representative line for the velocity. Now, for B, force equals 50 newtons at 120 degrees to the x-axis. Pick a convenient scale. 1 centimeter equals 10 newtons. Arrow length equals 50 divided by 10 equals 5 centimeters. Step 1. Same axes in origin. Step 2. Measure 120 degrees from the positive x-axis, that's past 90 degrees, into the second quadrant, up and to the left. Step 3. Draw a 5 centimeter line in that direction. Step 4. Arrowhead at the tip. Step 5. Label it. Force 50 newtons, 120 degrees. Easy, right? The 60-degree one points up right, while 120 degrees points up left. Think of it like this. Velocity at 60 degrees is like a ball thrown at an angle, mostly forward but a bit up. Force at 120 degrees could be like pulling something backward and up. Vectors help us visualize forces and motions in real scenarios. If this helped, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what other vector problems or FSC topics should I cover next. Thanks for watching. Keep exploring physics.